everybody, it's Renee. I am back to show you the September layout for the National Stamping Month Memories in the Making Cut Above kit from Close to My Heart. This kit's available September 1st through 30th while supplies last, so if you want one, you might want to go grab it before they sell out. There are several bundle options. I go over those bundle options in a previous video, which I will link, as well as in my blog post, which I will also link. I am using the Big Mama kit. It's the kit called Calendar Kit with Stamps. You get everything in the kit. And what we're doing today is I am going to show you the September layout. And this layout looks really fun. I love the colors on it. It's this one here in the corner. I love that color green. It looks like it'll be pretty easy. So let's just get right to it. So we've got our base page. We'll go ahead and put it down. Again, it's really easy to figure out the orientation on this since it has lettering. And yes, I still have a squeaky tape gun. I did not fix that. Sorry about that. So here's the base page. We've got some stickers. We've got die cuts, and that flipped over. We got die cut. We've got a strip for the side. We've got a photo mat with two 3x4 placeholders. Again, if you want to do one picture that's 6x4, 4x6, you could totally do that. So let's go ahead, take a look at what we've got going on here. So it looks like we need to put down our bokeh piece and our gray strip. We'll use our tape technique to put that together first. Then it looks like we need to put this little guy on the side. It's really skinny, so maybe we'll use our tape technique with that too. Put that down, put our arrows down. I think this is gonna be a quick one, but a really cute one. So I love the My Happy Place on this. I've got lots of ideas for where we can take our picture for this one. I think I've definitely said before that my husband and I are gonna be using this as our calendar in our kitchen. We always have a calendar every year in our kitchen on our refrigerator with all the fun stuff like birthdays and other things. And I'm going to be adding my pictures throughout the year. We're going to take pictures each month to put on the calendar. And then at the end of the year, I'm going to take all the pages off the calendar and put them in a photo album, and we'll have a whole year of memories. So I think that'll be really fun. So there's my tape technique. You just butt your two pieces together, put your tape on out from the back. Make sure you don't have any gaps. If you do, take it off, very lightly. Take it off and then retape it. You don't have to have the tape going the whole entire way because you will be gluing this down, as I'll show you right now. So right now we're just gonna dry fit this to see how it looks. It looks good. So we're gonna go ahead, put our squeaky tape. Sorry about that. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this just a little bit so I can get a better eye on it, and then I'll put it back where it goes. No worries. So you can use this lovely little edge they gave you with the green and line that up. So there we go. So there's that. How fun. I love that. I love that bokeh, and I love it that they used all those different colors this time. Okay, so we will take our photo mat, and our photo mat is going to go this direction, and this butts right up against the top of it. So I think since it's so thin and I don't want to lose any of it, I'm going to go ahead and do the tape again, but this time I'm going to use my reverse tweezers to hold my piece of tape. Because I need to get so close to this edge and it's small, that'll really help to use your reverse tweezers. So there's this. And here's another one. Okay. So there's that little guy. Looks pretty good. Okay. And I think from here, we're just ready to adhere this down on our background page. Or wait, let's put our placeholders on first. So again, I said these are 3x4 pictures. You can change your mind. You can use a 6x4. You could also do one picture and then journaling. It's really up to you. So we were going to put just a little bit of tape, because these are just placeholders for me until we do our pictures in September next year. So I like September because it's still pretty warm, but things are changing. It starts to cool off a little bit. You start to see the trees changing. I really like September. Okay, so there we go. So let's do our tape. I'm gonna put tape right over that edge, if I can get my finger off of it. Oh, so loud, so loud. Okay, so this says that we are going to place this picture 3 3/4 inches from the top and 4 1/2 inches from the right side. So let's do our 4 1/2 inches. So 1, 2, 3, 4 1/2. So be right there. And then we want to be 3 3/4 from the top. Now, because we already have a 1/2 inch here on the edge of our mat, if you're using the same kind of mat I am, we want to add a 1/2 inch to that 3 3/4. So that makes it 4 1/4. So we'll line up this with 4 1/4, and there we go. Now, how easy was that? And all we have left is to put our arrows in place. So we'll pull, might want to be a little careful. These are really good cardstock stickers, but when you've got a little skinny area like that, you want to be careful. So, and we're just going to eyeball these. And there we go. And you can always add more pictures if you want. If you have, some little pictures that you want to put around the areas, feel free to make this your own layout. Okay, and then we'll do this one. Make sure it's straight. And there we go. That is our September layout. If you have any questions, just go ahead and put them below, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. And I will see you tomorrow. And tomorrow we will be doing the October layout, which I think you'll really like. I love the colors on it. It's not gray and yellow, but it's pretty close to my favorite color combinations. So again, have any questions, leave them below, and thanks for watching. Bye.